You want to get started on YouTube, but you have no idea what should be your first video. If you're gonna get started in this video world, you wanna make sure your first step out into the world is the best one. Have no fear. Today I'm gonna share with you 15 no-fail first YouTube video ideas that you can create to finally start that YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Trina if we haven't met before, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs just like you build the confidence to start creating video content. Now, to create that video content, you need to have some video ideas, right? So let's run through 15 of those that are great for you to get started with. Whether you've filmed 0 videos or you filmed 100 videos, these are some great ideas. The first video idea is a how-to video. This is always great for you to start building authority and start letting people see the knowledge that you have. So whether it's how to apply makeup, how to set up your website, how to create a graphic in Canva, anything that you can start building trust with your viewer by helping them with something, that's a great first video to start with. The second video idea is a comparison video. So if you are somebody who teaches email marketing, maybe you compare MailChimp versus ConvertKit. Maybe if you're a beauty vlogger, you compare Maybelline's brand new mascara to CoverGirl's mascara. If you're a musician, maybe you compare 2 different brands of guitars or keyboards so that again, you're building that authority and that trust with somebody, especially if they're struggling with a buying decision. And if you can give them your unbiased opinion on which one you think better or pros and cons on one, you're gonna build that trust. The third video idea is a review video. This is similar to a compare video, but you want to review just one specific thing. So when I started my YouTube channel, I did a review on my camera, the Canon G7X, and it's got one of the most views on my channel because people want to know whether they should buy it or not and what are my opinions on it. So what is something that your audience wants you to compare? Again, you're going to build trust with them with this type of video. If you're just jumping into the world of video and you don't want to yet be on video, a great video idea for you would be a screen tutorial, especially if you're sharing how to do something on the computer, whether it's like Excel spreadsheets or setting up a website or teaching programs like GarageBand or any other type of software program. You can do a screen share video to get started on YouTube because it's going to do the same things those other videos talked about. Build your authority and build that trust with your audience as you help them through a pain point. Now again, when you're thinking about these videos, you want to think about what your target audience is searching for on YouTube. What are they struggling with and how can you do that for them? The fifth video idea is great for business owners and it's a case study. Walk people through a client that you had, how they came to you, what you did when you worked with them, and what was the end result. For example, I could talk about how Becca came to me with X amount of subscribers, and during that time we focused on ABC, and by the time our 3 months were together, she was able to grow her YouTube channel a certain amount of %. And how we did that was by doing this. As you can show people case studies and show that you can actually get people results, again, building your trust and getting people to want to keep coming back to see what you have to share. The sixth video idea is always a good one, and anytime I do it or anytime my clients do it, they always get a lot of views and a lot of engagement, and it's a mistakes video. So maybe mistakes you made when you first applied mascara, or mistakes you made when you first started your business, or when you first got on YouTube, or when you sent out your first email newsletter. What are some mistakes that you can share with your audience to show them, 1, that you're a human and you make mistakes, and 2, how they can learn from them? Again, these videos always go over well. An advice video. This is where you can share any kind of advice that you want to build that trust with your audience. For example, if you're a business owner, maybe it's advice on getting started on Instagram, or advice on setting up an email funnel, or 5 pieces of advice to create a no makeup look. You just want to get into the thought process of your target audience. Think about what would they want advice on? How can I provide them valuable advice that they will want to watch my video? The 8th type of video is an unboxing video. Again, with my camera, not only did I do a review, but I also did an unboxing. So I got my old camera out and filmed me opening my new camera. I walked through and talked through what I thought about how it felt, how it looked, how easy it was to turn on. What is something that you could unbox? There there are so many subscription boxes like Sephora Play or BoxyCharm. You could also talk about unboxing something you bought from Amazon that you know your target audience wants to see what it looks like out of the box. Planners, this is a great video idea for you, especially if you're unboxing Power Sheets or Emily Lay's Simplified Planner. Any of those types of unboxing videos are going to be great for your audience. The 9th video idea is a DIY video. So DIY website setup, DIY scarf creation if you're a crafter, anything that you can show somebody how to do it yourself. This is great because people come to YouTube to figure out how to do things themselves. So if you know what your audience wants to see from you on how to do it yourself, this is a great first video idea. Moving on to number 10, and that's a tour. Whether that's a tour of your office, a tour of what's on your phone, a tour of what's in your makeup drawer, a tour of what's on your computer. People are kind of nosy and they want to see, what are the things that you're doing or where is the place you're working. Again, it builds that relationship with that viewer and it kind of makes you on the camera seem like a real person. A tools video. So what are some tools that you use as a business owner or as a beauty guru or as a musician? Again, your target audience wants to know what you're using, so I could share what are my favorite video editing tools or what are my favorite mobile editing tools or what are the tools that I use in my business. Again, if you can just give people a rundown of different things that you use, that's the things that they want to know. They want to know what they can use in their own business as well. The 12th video idea is a little extensive for your first video, but it's great for building community and connecting with your audience, and it's a day in your life video. So kind of a vlog. I did one recently. I'll link it right up here. So it shares like what I do in a day as a YouTube strategist. But again, it lets people get behind the scenes. It lets people get to know you as a person, and it really starts helping you put together those building blocks of building a relationship with them. So if you're planning to sell a course or sell one-on-one service down the road, they already feel trust with you and they're more likely to want to buy from you because they feel like they know you as more of a friend than somebody on the internet. The 13th video idea is a routine video, and these are huge on YouTube in general. So your morning routine, your workout routine, maybe your workday routine. People want to get ideas on how to do this, and they just love being able to see what other people do. Similar to a day in a life video, this would be kind of sharing behind the scenes, but just focusing on one of your routines. So maybe in the morning you wake up, you exercise, you journal, you drink a cup of coffee, and you go for a walk or something. People want to see those types of routine videos, and again, is going to let people get to know you as a human and as a friend. The 14th video idea is a channel trailer for here on YouTube. This is the video that's going to showcase your channel, showcase the value of your channel, and it's going to play automatically when somebody lands on your channel. Now, if you're not sure what would I even say in that channel trailer, I have a video that breaks down exactly what to say in it. I'll link it right up here so you can watch it. It breaks it down step by step what that should look like. Pardon the interruption, but apparently I skipped one of my video ideas, so we're going to insert it right here, and that video idea is a sales video. Now, this video's primary goal is to talk about your course, your mastermind, your service, your group coaching program, your coaching program. You want to tell people the benefits, the features, and why they need to buy it. Now, this video tends to be the hardest one for business owners to do because they don't want to feel salesy. But here's the deal. If you're building your know, like, and trust through all these other video ideas I've dropped so far, people are going to want to work with you. People are going to want to buy from you because they love your free stuff and they can only imagine how amazing your paid for stuff is going to be. So don't be afraid to create these sales videos because they are what's going to make you money and what makes doing video worth every penny. Now, I know it can seem overwhelming to get started on video and you're starting to think, how am I ever going to have the time to create these videos? Well, I have a little secret for you. I have a process that's helped me create an entire month's worth of video content in just 8 hours. If you want to learn my exact research, create, repurpose process, I've got a workshop for you. I will link to it on the screen right now and down in the description box. In my workshop, the 3-step plan to creating 1 month's worth of video content in 8 hours, I walk you through the exact process that not only I do, but my clients and my students have done to be able to tackle video content and end up saving time in the long run and making more money. So make sure you grab your seat with that link in the description box or on your screen right now. And if you want to see how I create a plan for videos here on YouTube, make sure you watch the video on your screen right now that's going to show you the exact process that I go to for creating an editorial calendar. I'll see you in that workshop or on that next video.